What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is the 5th of December. We're going to take a look in this video here, ArcBlock/Tether, ticker symbol ABT USDT, and this will be a daily chart, and the price data is from Gate.io. Real quick, let's jump over to the crypto fear and greed index. We're sitting at an 84. We're in extreme greed. Just understand that it can stay greedy and in extreme greed for a long time. It's been a month. We've been in greed. But this looks like the highest reading we've had this pump. So, take that for what it's worth. Just keep it on your radar. The Bitcoin dominance chart, 55.1. We are down from a month ago, 59. We're up from yesterday, 54. And then last week, we are down about 2 points, 57. So, Bitcoin obviously still dominating the market here. ArcBlock chart, guys. So, we have... Let's take a look here. We got some resistance, some volatility coming in a previous area that we've seen in the past. The 194.4 is the level I have on my chart. I've had these levels on this chart for a very long time. 194.4 is where this market found some resistance back in here. Looks like, right around the end of September, we had some we tried to break through it and then turned it into some resistance back in the end of August. And we're just back here again, the 194. We have a little bit of play coming in at 1776 as well. Some support on the second. But really, this 194.4 level is the market's trying to regain that. We do have a level above that that's in play as well. It's just 211. We have some trading days getting very close to that level. That's where the market topped out back in here on the 25th of August as well. We got some support showing up at the 1776 where this area found resistance support. So that's good. An old area of market resistance, which is the 1776, getting flipped into market support is very good. It's that stair stepping you look for in trends. Uptrends anyways. So, in a perfect world, guys, we got to retake the 194.4. You want to get a close above that. And then you want to break and close above 211. And that'll just take us into a new trading range between 211 and 231.2. 231.2. That's kind of all I have here on the chart. Obviously, I have tons of other price levels above the market. But right now, if we zoom in, we're just in a range, and that range, until it's broken, until it holds, we'll just continue in that range. Let's not discount that this thing has went on a very big run. But as you can see here, we got to break above $1.94.4 and close above that level. And then the odds are stacked now in the market going higher rather than lower, which takes us up to 211. And then the same thing there. You need to break above, you need to close above. And now the odds are favoring a move higher, which is up to 231.2. But right now, we're in between 1776 and 194. Next range, 194, 211. Next range, 211, 231.2, and so on and so forth. 231.2 to 243.0, and so on. And the same goes with the ranges below the market. 1776, 1638 is a range, and so on. Let's take a zoom out here on the chart. Looks like we got our highs here for ArcBlock. 464.5 is basically where the market topped out here, one of my levels. And, this thing could easily consolidate where it's at and go on a massive break to the upside. This high over here is important. You want to keep an eye on that. You want to see the market break above that. And it could happen in a very strong fashion, similar to when we saw Bitcoin break out down around 74,000. This high is $2.22. It's a major area of resistance. And, hopefully this thing just holds tight here and then starts to run to the upside. But the highs, guys, resistance level up there at like 464. I obviously have targets way above the market. 1681 looks like my highest target. Who knows if it'll get reached or not this cycle, but it is a valid level. But overall, we're just kind of range bound here for ArcBlock, but at least we're kind of, moving to the upside. We're just taking a breather here, and maybe this is getting ready for another pump higher. But as far as how I look at the markets, I look at my price levels, and we're range bound right now. 194, 1776. Let's drop over to BTC USD. It's up just about 4 grand. Big breakout taking place today. We have a close above the 96,626.83 yesterday, which is acting as a level of resistance for a while. We're kind of pinned around that level. To use some options terminology, we're above 100,649.56, which is my target number 1 for today. Target number 2 for today or in the days ahead, 104,622.42. We got close. We hit 104,000 today, so $622 below that target. $100,000 Bitcoin. Crazy times, guys. Guys, thanks for watching. Of course, not financial advice. All links down below. Anything else you want to share down in the comments, feel free. Let me know your thoughts on ArcBlock, Bitcoin, whatever else. You guys have a great day.